The WEN 3435 wood lathe is a versatile tool capable of handling workpieces up to 20 inches long and 14 inches wide, making it ideal for a variety of projects. Its variable speed feature, ranging from 250 to 3,550 rotations per minute, allows for precise control tailored to your specific needs. Equipped with a powerful 6-amp motor and weighing over 120 pounds, this lathe ensures stability and minimizes vibrations during operation. The lathe's MT2 spindle and tailstock tapers provide secure holding for your workpieces, while the 8-inch tool rest offers excellent support for your chisels and tools. An easy-to-use lever clamping system allows for simple and accurate adjustments to both the tool rest and tailstock, enhancing user convenience. The inclusion of a 4-inch faceplate and various accessories such as a spur center and live center makes this lathe well equipped for turning bowls, cups, and more.